Because not only will that be cool to show, I mean, and who knows, right? Maybe they'll get it, maybe they won't. We'll learn. You guys will see that we're not faking any of this, right? They learn it. And then the YouTube video could be a good way for people who are starting to look at it if they want to get a reference and say, oh, hey.
Yeah, so I mean, there's a lot of things. You know, we tend to dive into some deeper stuff. As I talked about, the community normally is so engaged that we have people asking for a lot of the deeper stuff, some of the corners, some of the, can you guys do this? So we dove into some deeper stuff today. You can just turn on Project Spark and play stuff the community's made. You can hop into stuff that the community's made, learn from it, remix it, and just change it a little. You can go into a blank world and just drop down objects and they just work, and you can start making games and playing games with all these objects that just work. You can go into the World Wizards and just have a world built out for you in like a minute. You can go into Crossroads where you're playing a game and making a game at the same time. What else? You can go into game guides where it actually walks you through making your own game step by step, teaching you all the stuff while you're making a game. There's just a ton of different ways into Project Spark, and everything that's there has layers. So you can drop down an object that just works. You can swap in a brain on that object. You can go ahead and just remix stuff that exists. There's all types of things. You know, I was trying to remember where this costume looked like it came from, and I think this looks like Judge Reinhold in Fast Times at Ridgemont High.
I was trying to use all these like
crystals. He's delivering the fish and chips?
Oh, yeah.
Pirate outfit? Judge Reinhold in Fast Time at Ridgemont High.
Man, geez, I haven't seen that in forever.
No, I haven't either.
Oh, I need to put the player brain on that guy.
Right, so Jared's got a very makeshift crystal shard pirate hat. So we're doing this one quick.
So favorite Halloween show, I would say it was in the
Star Wars Halloween.
Crazy Misadventures of Ed Grimley.
Oh my goodness!
And it was Count Floyd's Scary Stories.
That
was my favorite Halloween show ever.
That was pretty awesome.
Where is Count Floyd these days?
He is in a ton of stuff. What's that guy's name? Something Flanagan? Ed Flanagan or something like that?
The Knife or the Goblin?
Let me bing that.
Like, seriously? Right? And then you got Martin Short. Martin Short retired, I think. You know, I saw Martin Short. He hosted a one of those AIAS Game Award shows. Martin Short hosted one of those. That was pretty awesome, yeah. But Ed Grimsley. What was Ed Grimsley's little catchphase?
Ed Grimley.
What was his little catchphrase? He would do stuff like this.
It would be...
and he'd do a little dance. Remember a little dance?
Yes. Oh, isn't that just the best? What else? There was all kinds of things. Man, that was...
There we go.
That's
cool.
Kind of a crazy hat. Oh, I didn't save that color.
No.
There we go.
All right, that's a cool sneak peek at a pirate. So we got a pirate, a cabbage, Vector Man, a Nightmare Before... Oh, and you're beating the crap out of the Cabbage Head guy. A Nightmare Before Christmas guy, and an angel. You can't hit the angel. That's bad karma.
Pirates fighting skeletons? That kind of makes sense.
Cool. All right, so let's dig into our out surprise.
All right.
And Mike, anything else to wrap up?
We're wrapping up. Sorry, I'm...
See me again in an hour.
I'm still
on Twitch.
Yeah, go watch Henry.
Yeah, Henry will be on the
Microsoft Studios channel. Mike might actually put up a link if he's not surfing IMDb to find out more stuff about Martin Short.
Dude, I'm telling you.
And here is the work in progress early dinosaur.
Wow. That is very cool.
So that's using the same stuff we were just doing, kind of gluing all these. I think the main body of the dinosaur is built out of house pieces. You can kind of see the haystack stuff there, recolored, and then a couple rocks and skeletons and femurs.
It's funny because we grabbed an older build because the tail was animating when I saw it.
Oh yeah.
And the neck had a bunch of animations. So this is actually an older one.
Can you came down a little bit?
But this is really cool.
Yeah, I just threw in a camera on this. I originally didn't have one. Alright, I'm back on controller now, which is why the controls look a little bit different. It's in that cube there. Let's see if I can get to it there. That one. Okay.
So we're going to show how to animate things at some point, right, Henry?
So there we go.
The camera's in there somewhere.
So this is exactly what we did. This is a bunch of attachments, and it's an invisible character.
Nice.
So that's how they animated this, is they used all the general animations and stuff like that, and then they put it with the attachment system.
Yeah, I mean, a bunch of things attached to each other there, just kind of using a bunch of attachments.
So we've talked about how you could use K-code to animate the mech. We'll have Ari on at one point to talk about that. But you could just use this attachment system and put a rig underneath, and so you can see the pants. There's the character inside the dinosaur.
Hey, you can see his pants.
You can see it right there. Not that they can see I pointed, but you can see it.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
Right, Judge Reinhold?
Yeah.
Get your fries.
All right, so there's the dinosaur.
All right, so yeah, why don't you play it once more and play us out? Play us out, Sam.
There we go.
There it is.
All right, guys. We will be back next week at noon on Tuesday with something. Who knows what?
We'll find out.
Maybe game guides.
Maybe
Crossroads.
Maybe Crossroads. Maybe we'll do that new user experience thing.
Yep.
And then we'll be back at our normal scheduled time, which is 3 p.m. on Thursday. And we may do another one on the Microsoft Studios channel on Friday if we're gonna stick with every 2 weeks. That would be there.
Oh,
so.
yeah.
And I won't be in costume. I don't know about you guys.
No, not next week.
Special
occasion here.
We'll try to make Raining Blood at some point. We've got that on our list.
Yeah, Blood Rain. Yeah, absolutely. And stay tuned. Like we said, beta's day to day. We got the teams cranking away and kind of going through the bugs, figuring out what needs to be fixed, what doesn't need to be fixed.
I will be on the Microsoft one in 50 minutes. People are asking.
Henry
how
should
long.
go.
Oh yeah, you better get going over there, man. That's in a different building.
It's not 50 minutes away. I'll be okay.
That's traffic, right?
That's true.
And plus you got to get out of that suit, or you got to go like that.
No, I'm not going to go on like that.
Oh.
That was just for here.
Just for you guys.
Just for our project sponsor.
Because somebody promised
That's
it.
right.
God knows why. All right, guys. So follow us on
right.
Facebook, Twitter. We'll see you next week. This will be up on YouTube at some point.
And thanks for all the cool suggestions and the help.
Yeah, appreciate it, you guys. So thanks, and we'll see you very soon.